Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Aptitude Improvement the MM Patel Way. In this session, we are going to study problem numbers 1 to 8 related to chapter 4, that is numbers on sides of triangle. Study the concept part critically and thoroughly before attempting problem part. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on aptitude improvement. Problem number 1. Place all the digits 1 to 6 in the circles such that totals of digits contained by circles of each line are 9. Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. With digits 1, 2 and 3 put in the vertex circle, the combinations are 1 plus 6 plus 2, 1 plus 5 plus 3 and 2 plus 4 plus 3. You can see the solution. Problem number 2. Place all the digits 1 to 6 in the circles such that the totals of digits contained by circles of each line are 12. Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. With digits 4, 5 and 6 put in the vertex circles, the combinations are 4 plus 3 plus 5, 4 plus 2 plus 6 and 5 plus 1 plus 6. The solution is shown. Problem number 3. Write digits 1 to 6 in the circles such that the totals of numbers contained by circles of each line comes to 15. If you find it impossible to get the solution, justify. Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. It is not possible to get the total other than 9, 10, 11 and 12. Refer to the conceptual part for the logic. In conceptual part, the logic has been discussed in detail. Problem number 4. 9 circles, each containing a digit, are put on the sides and corners of a triangle as shown here. The digits are 1 to 9. You are required to assign one unique digit to each of the circles so that totals of 4 digits contained by any side of the triangle equal to 17. How many basic answers are possible? Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. There are two basic possibilities with 1, 2 and 3 at the vertices in both the cases. The first case is 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 2, 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 and 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3. The solution is shown here. The second possibility is 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 and 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. The solution is shown here. Problem number 5. 9 circles, each containing a digit, are put on the sides and corners of a triangle as shown below. The digits are 1 to 9. You are required to assign one unique digit to each of the circles so that the totals of 4 digits contained by any side of the triangle equals to 20. How many basic answers are possible? Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. See the next slide for the solution. The sum of three vertex digits should be 15. There are 8 possible combinations of 3 digits totaling to 15. For each possibility, we need to work out separately. A. With vertex numbers 1, 9 and 5, the possible combinations are 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3, 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 and 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2. B. Vertex number 1, 8 and 6. No feasible solution can be obtained with this combination. C. Vertex numbers 2, 9 and 4. Again, no feasible solution can be obtained. D. Vertex numbers 2, 8 and 5. In this case, 2 possibilities exist. The first one is 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1, 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 and 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. The second possibility is 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3, 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4 and 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. E. Vertex numbers 2, 7 and 6. In this case, no feasible solution can be obtained. F. Vertex numbers 3, 8 and 4. In this case also, no feasible solution can be obtained. G. Vertex numbers 3, 7 and 5. The possible solution is 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1, 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 and 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2. H. Vertex numbers 4, 5 and 6. In this case, 2 possibilities exist. The first one is 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9, 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 8 and 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7. The second possibility is 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8, 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7 and 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9. Problem number 6. 9 circles, each containing a digit, are put on the sides and corners of a triangle as shown here. The digits are 1 to 9. You are required to assign one unique digit to each of the circles so that totals of 4 digits contained by any side of the triangle equal to 24. Is the solution possible? Prove your conclusion. Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. Obtaining a total of 24 is not possible. The logic is explained below. Sum of 3 lines equals to 24 into 3, that is 72. Sum of 9 digits 1 through 9 equals to 45. Difference is 27. It is not possible to get a total of 27 using 3 different digits from 1 to 9. The maximum total obtainable is 9 plus 8 plus 7, that is 24. Problem number 7. 12 circles, each containing a number, are put on sides and corners of a triangle as shown here. The numbers are 1 to 12. You are required to assign one unique number to each of the circles so that totals of 5 numbers contained by any side of the triangle are 28. Find out at least 3 solutions. The additional question is, can you think of a method to find all possible solutions? Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. The first step of solution is sum of 3 lines equals to 28 into 3, that is 84. Sum of 12 digits 1 through 12 is 78. The difference is 6. Naturally, the numbers in vertex circles are 1, 2 and 3. The second step is the totals of 3 digits between 1 and 2 should be 25, between 1 and 3 should be 24, and between 2 and 3 should be 23. Now we come to the third step and find out the possible combinations. Between 1 and 2 we need 25, and there are 8 possible combinations. 4 plus 9 plus 12, 4 plus 10 plus 11, 5 plus 8 plus 12, 5 plus 9 plus 11, 6 plus 7 plus 12, 6 plus 8 plus 11, 6 plus 9 plus 10, and 7 plus 8 plus 10. Between 1 and 3 we need to have 24, and the possible combinations are 4 plus 8 plus 12, 4 plus 9 plus 11, 5 plus 7 plus 12, 5 plus 8 plus 11, 5 plus 9 plus 10, 6 plus 7 plus 11, 6 plus 8 plus 10, and 7 plus 8 plus 9. Between 2 and 3 we need 23, and the possible combinations will be 4 plus 7 plus 12, 4 plus 8 plus 11, 4 plus 9 plus 10, 5 plus 6 plus 12, 5 plus 7 plus 11, 5 plus 8 plus 10, 6 plus 7 plus 10, and 6 plus 8 plus 9. I would like to add at this point the process of making combinations. We have learned in chapter 1 the logical process of making such combinations. You will see that we have followed the same process. In the fourth step, we find possible combinations. 3 possible combinations are 1, 2, 6, 9 and 10, 1, 3, 5, 8 and 11, and 2, 3, 4, 7 and 12. The second combination is 1, 2, 6, 8 and 11, 1, 3, 5, 9 and 10, and 2, 3, 4, 7 and 12. The third combination is 1, 2, 5, 9 and 11, 1, 3, 6, 8 and 10, and 2, 3, 4, 7 and 12. For second part of the problem, you can find out a method of finding out more combinations. Problem number 8. 9 circles, each containing a digit, are put on the sides and corners of a triangle as shown here. The digits are 1 to 9. You are required to assign one unique digit to each of the circles so that totals of 4 digits contained by any side of the triangle are equal. What totals are possible? Now stop the video and solve the puzzle. The solution is as follows. If we take totals of all 3 sides and sum of digits 1 through 9, the difference will be sum of digits contained by the vertex circles. The minimum sum of digits contained by vertex circles will be 6, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and maximum 24, that is 7 plus 8 plus 9. Using this, we can find out the possible totals. Let us see the next slide. Now we can find the possible totals. 45 plus 6 divided by 3 equals to 17. 45 plus 9 divided by 3 equals to 18. 45 plus 12 divided by 3 equals to 19. 45 plus 15 divided by 3 equals to 20. 45 plus 18 divided by 3 equals to 21. 45 plus 21 divided by 3 equals to 22. And 45 plus 24 divided by 3 equals to 23. These are the possible totals. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on getting ready for aptitude improvement the MM Patel way.